What's going on, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode here at the J&A Life. It's your boy Jerry. So today, guys, we're going to be trying a product. It's over there on the porch. Doing this in the front yard, y'all, because I got my little boy. I got to keep an eye on him, so just run out here for a quick second and right back in. But anyways, guys, today we're going to be trying out the aircraft paint remover. So basically just pop the Type R valve cover off. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be spraying it down with that aircraft paint remover, and then we're going to be covering it up with some plastic and then letting it sit for about 30 minutes. Supposedly that's the way that this was intended to be used and how it's supposed to be used. So I'm gonna give it a shot this way, boys, and see what happens. All right, guys, so this is the product we're gonna be using today. So just get ready to spray this stuff down and I'll be back. So I hit the valve cover with this and some 60 grit, as you can see, just really rough. It's supposed to help this aircraft remover soak into the paint better. So I just hit it with some of that. Just pretty, just went over top of it. Didn't want to put deep scratches in it, which it doesn't matter because we're going to be going wrinkle red. So, but yeah, I just went over it pretty quick with that. As you can see, some of the reds right there. I have to wash that off. But yeah, now we're just ready to spray some of this aircraft paint remover on there, and yeah, then we're going to throw a plastic bag over it. Supposedly that's the way it's supposed to be done, and then let it sit for about 45 minutes. So that's what we're going to do, guys. All right, like that, guys. Y'all see? Plastic just sitting on there. We'll give this about 10 minutes. Maybe 15. We'll be back. See what we got. Well, didn't pull it off like I thought it was, but definitely gooey enough where I should just be able to simply scrape it off. Guys, I think if I would have used some different plastic, like maybe the plastic that I used to bag cars with for paint, maybe that plastic would have worked better than this trash bag. I believe also the Febreze, because the bag smells good, they're made that way, and I believe that might have had something to do with the reason it didn't just peel the paint off when I pulled the plastic back like I thought it was going to. But it definitely got soft enough for me to scrape the majority of this stuff off. All right, guys, so when I was done scraping all the old red paint off, there were only very few, and I mean very few, little spots of red left. So I just took the aircraft paint remover and I sprayed it directly on where the paint was. Like I said, boys, there was very few little spots of red paint left, so I just sprayed the aircraft paint remover directly on them and removed them with the scraper, and this is the results, boys. And I still got half a can of that aircraft paint remover left. All right, boys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope this video helped somebody out there. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and smash that like button for your boy. It helps out the channel. And I appreciate each and every single one of you that support the channel. And you're definitely going to want to stay tuned for more content coming soon. I love you all. God bless you all. Till the next one, boys. We out.